Hello, everybody. Welcome to another life insurance episode. This is Chad McMahan with Protect with Insurance. This episode is on how do you get the lowest price life insurance. So, life insurance pricing is going to depend upon several factors. A lot of this you're going to know. Hopefully, some of this you don't know, and I'll try and make this as brief and concise as possible. So, price depends upon your health, depends upon your age, and your MIB, your medical information bureau, your medical database, so your medical history, things like that. That's number one. Number two is the price depends upon the kind of policy that it is. So let's start with whole life, and then I'll briefly talk about term life insurance. Whole life insurance, if it's a policy that has few or even zero living benefits, check out one of our other blogs on living benefits or look at our website for a description on that. But if it doesn't have living benefits, the cost will be lower. Also, if you get the highest health rating possible, this goes for term and for whole on this part, the highest health rating possible will bring your price down. And the way you get that highest health rating possible is you connect with an agency or an agent that has access to a whole bunch of these different A-rated life insurance companies so that they can pair you with the company that will get you the highest health rating. So if you can get a preferred health rating, just as an example, which we do all the time, we get preferred health ratings for clients that otherwise with another agent, another agency, maybe they had standard, or maybe they had graded or even guaranteed. And we find we're able to get them a preferred health rating and their price goes way down. Sometimes we see a price drop 50% or 60% because of that health rating difference. So that's one thing that's crucially important. So if you shop one company, I love Mutual of Omaha, but if you call up Mutual of Omaha and say, hey, get me a policy, you might just get placed into a guaranteed issue policy and they call it a day. And you are really falling short of what you can do if that's your approach. So you really want to shop these carriers or have an independent broker that can shop these carriers for you so that you get with the highest health rating possible. Now, again, I said that was the same thing with term, and it can be drastically even more in your favor with term life insurance. If you have exceptional health, and again, this is term, exceptional health, you can get something called Preferred Plus or Super Preferred Health Rating. It is a medical exam requirement, but it's completely worth it to do that. As long as you can be okay with the blood draw and all of that. Some people, they say no needles, no matter what, no needles. But if you can be okay with the blood draw and with that medical exam and your health is exceptional, then a Preferred Plus or Super Preferred Health Rating, it might be something that you can qualify for. And if so, it is oftentimes 60 to 90% less expensive than the other term counterparts. So very, very important that you know that. Now, I mentioned living benefits earlier. That's even more important with term. There are term products out there that have no living benefits. It's just about a death benefit. You die for any reason, it's full coverage. They send X dollars, 100,000, 200,000, 500,000, 5 million, whatever the amount, they send that to your loved ones. And if you get just as an example, if your health is just exceptional and you get a term that has no living benefits and you get Preferred Plus or Super Preferred, your price is going to be the same as maybe your neighbor who's the same age, same age, same gender, but got 1/3 the coverage, and maybe has living benefits or something like that. So the price is going to be very, very low, and that's going to be the way you save your money. And of course, if you want to get like a return of premium term, that kind of a policy is going to cost more. So if you're just looking at what is the lowest cost life insurance, lowest cost whole life insurance, lowest cost term life insurance, but particularly with whole life, you want to shop a whole bunch of these companies. You want to get the highest health rating you possibly can, and that is going to bring that price down. So feel free to reach out to us, give us a call, send us an email. We'll be happy to help, and we'll shop those companies for you and see what we can do for you. Take care.